Are you constantly throwing away the most powerful medicine in your kitchen without even knowing it? You are wasting a miracle. You cut open this fruit, scoop out the black, slimy beads, and toss them straight into the trash. That is a huge mistake. You might be suffering from bloating, chronic fatigue, or a liver that is struggling. 2. Filter toxins. You feel heavy. These seeds are not garbage. They are known in ancient medicine as the black gold of digestion. They are potent. Imagine one simple tablespoon of these peppery seeds acting like a nuclear bomb for internal worms. It destroys them. This forbidden seed is scientifically proven to paralyze parasites, shrink liver scarring, and protect your kidneys from failure. The results are massive. It acts as the ultimate enzymatic cleaner, dissolving the dead tissue and mucus that clogs your intestines. It sweeps you clean. This is the ultimate non-drug secret to deep internal detox, killing superbugs, and even naturally preventing pregnancy. It is powerful. We'll expose the huge difference between the fresh, slimy seeds and the dried pepper version. Use them both. If you ignore this superfood, you are literally throwing away the cure for your gut and liver problems. The loss is yours. We'll reveal the exact honey trick you need to swallow them because the taste is intense. It burns like fire. Don't skip the final warning about the specific effect on male fertility that makes this seed a natural contraceptive. Men, be careful. Stay tuned to master the ultimate secret to turning your kitchen trash into life-saving treasure. Your detox starts now. The miraculous, forgotten seeds we are revealing today come from the tropical healer, the papaya fruit. But we are not talking about the sweet orange flesh. We are talking about the shiny black papaya seeds that almost everyone throws in the garbage. For centuries, healers in the Amazon jungle have used these seeds to treat everything from intestinal worms to dengue fever. Modern science has finally discovered why they work so well. The secret lies in 2 powerful compounds hidden inside the black shell, Papain and Carpaine. Let's talk about the parasite cure we are living in. A silent epidemic of parasitic infections. Microscopic worms and amoebas live in your gut, stealing your nutrients and leaving you tired and hungry. Papaya seeds contain an alkaloid called Carpaine. Carpaine is deadly to intestinal worms. When you eat the seeds, the Carpaine chemically attacks the nervous system of the parasites. It paralyzes them. They can no longer hold on to your intestinal walls. Combined with the high fiber of the seed, your body simply flushes the paralyzed worms out in the toilet. A famous study in Nigeria showed that children who ate dried papaya seeds cleared their parasites by over 75% in just 7 days. This is a natural dewormer that rivals strong prescription drugs without the harsh side effects. Now let's look at the miracle for liver cirrhosis. Your liver is the only organ that can regenerate itself, but toxins and alcohol cause scarring called cirrhosis. Papaya seeds are a powerhouse for liver detoxification. They contain potent proteolytic enzymes that help break down the scar tissue in the liver. In traditional Chinese medicine, these seeds are the #1 remedy for a stagnant liver. Studies have shown that regular consumption can help normalize liver enzymes and protect the organ from toxic damage. If you have a fatty liver or a history of alcohol use, these seeds are the scrub brush your liver needs. Let's talk about kidney protection. Your kidneys are the filters that remove poison from your blood. If they get clogged, you develop kidney failure or painful stones. Research suggests that papaya seeds can prevent clear kidney damage induced by toxins. They act as a nephroprotective agent, helping the kidneys filter waste more efficiently and preventing the buildup of toxins. Now we must discuss the enzymatic digestion. The seeds are packed with papain, a powerful digestive enzyme. Papain breaks down tough protein fibers. This is why papaya is used to tenderize meat inside your stomach. These seeds act like a meat tenderizer for the undigested food rotting in your gut. They break down the proteins, reduce bloating, and create an acidic environment where bad bacteria cannot survive. This makes them a powerful cure for H. pylori and other bacterial infections causing ulcers. They are also effective against food poisoning. The seeds have strong antibacterial properties. They have been shown to stop the growth of E. coli, salmonella, and staph infections. If you eat something bad at a restaurant, swallowing a spoonful of papaya seeds can be the difference between a mild stomachache and a hospital visit. Now let's talk about the taste. Do not expect them to taste like the fruit. Papaya seeds taste exactly like a mix of black pepper and horseradish. They are spicy, bitter, and crunchy. In fact, many people dry them, put them in a grinder, and use them as a healthy substitute for black pepper on their eggs. How to eat them. The protocol. There are two main ways to take your medicine. Method 1. The fresh scoop for parasites. Cut open a fresh papaya. Scoop out 1 tablespoon of the slimy black seeds. You can swallow them whole like pills if you can't handle the taste. However, chewing them releases the most carpaine. To mask the bitter, peppery taste, mix the seeds with a spoonful of raw honey. The honey makes it palatable and adds its own antimicrobial power. Do this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for 7 days. Method 2. The dried pepper for maintenance. Wash the seeds and let them dry in the sun or a dehydrator. Once they are shriveled and hard, put them in a pepper grinder. Grind them over your salads, soups, and eggs. This gives you a daily dose of liver protection without the intense experience of eating a whole spoonful. We must address the very strange and important warning for men. Papaya seeds have been used for centuries in Asia as a natural male contraceptive. If taken in large doses daily, they can reduce sperm count to almost 0. This effect is temporary and reversible. When you stop eating the seeds, fertility returns to normal after a few months. However, if you are a man actively trying to conceive a baby, do not eat papaya seeds daily. For women, there is a different warning. Do not eat papaya seeds or unripe papaya if you are pregnant. The high concentration of latex and enzymes can stimulate uterine contractions and potentially lead to miscarriage. Also, start slowly, because they are so powerful at killing bacteria. Eating too many at once can cause a die-off reaction. You might feel nauseous or get a headache as the toxins leave your body. Start with half a teaspoon and work your way up to a tablespoon. For everyone else, this trash is a treasure. It cleans your gut, regenerates your liver, and flushes out the parasites that are stealing your energy. This affordable, zero-waste superfood is your ultimate tool for deep internal cleansing. We have now armed you with the exact knowledge to safely leverage these black pearls. Now tell us in the comments below, do you usually throw these seeds away, and are you brave enough to chew them now? We want to hear your reaction. If this video revealed the simple cure for someone struggling with liver issues or parasites, please share it immediately with them. You could be saving their life. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 surprising foods that are secretly causing your hair loss and aging. Thank you for prioritizing your health. Stop the waste and start the healing. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.